Welcome to Meow Money, where we turn tricky finance into fun, bite-sized tips. Let's dive in.
Every FIRE journey starts with one powerful question: how much is enough? This is step one of your FIRE path, setting a clear target and vision before you even start running. Because if you don't know your number, your money will keep chasing its own tail. Step 1. The core formula. FIRE number equals annual spending times 25, based on the 4% rule. Example: spend $60K per year, meaning $60K times 25, that equals $1.5 million. You could safely withdraw 4%, either $60K per year from that pot, forever-ish. This is your freedom target, not a moving finish line. Don't keep inflating it. Find your enough and honor it. Step 2. Adjust for inflation. Inflation is that sneaky mouse nibbling your cheese. To plan in future dollars, future FIRE equals current FIRE X, 1 plus inflation rate, years. If inflation averages 3% for 15 years, your real target becomes $2.34 million, not $1.5 million. Step 3. Return scenarios or time to FIRE. Now, how long will it take to reach that $2.34 million goal? We use the compound growth formula. Future value equals PVX, 1 plus RET plus PMT X, 1 plus RIT, 1. Our example: PV is your current invested amount, $200K. PMT is your monthly recurring investment, $2K per month. Target is $2.34 million. 8% annual return, 19 years, 6% annual return, 2-year 4% annual return, 28 years. The higher the return, the faster your cat rockets to freedom, but the destination stays the same: you're enough. Takeaways 1. Define your enough. More isn't always better. Peace is more important than digits. 2. Always plan in future dollars. Inflation is real. 3. Focus on time, not comparison. Your runway is yours alone. Your FIRE number gives your journey direction, a crystal clear freedom target. Next episode, we will talk about savings. We'll turn that target into action, showing your savings how to stretch, sprint, and purr with purpose.
Thanks for watching Meow Money. Like and subscribe to keep your savings purring. See you next time.